Hey guys, welcome to another video. After 1 month, I'm here again. If you don't follow me on socials, it's time to follow because I'm more active there. But yeah, I reached the conclusion it's time to return to the YouTube. So yeah, I know you guys watch these videos here. Some guys watched like all the videos. Other guys came from the most popular one, for example this ICT or this one. So yeah, today I will bring you guys a new strategy that I am using mostly for London session, because I'm still using the NASDAQ strategy. Okay, don't think I am like jumping strategies. I am using this for one account and the other one for the other account. Okay, so basically this is more for London. Okay, and yeah, the other one is NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, the main strategy that I use from my videos on YouTube, is going very well. Is going with the 4 or 5 win streaks, if I am not wrong. But yeah, let's go to the strategy. The strategy is very simple. You just need like just a bit of analysis. I can say is like a 90 or 80% mechanical. And yeah, let's break down the strategy. So yeah, this more darkened zone is like my session time. Okay, I trade between 8 to 3 p.m. UK time. If you go to New York's time zone, will be 3 to 10. Okay, so yeah, you know now the times. And yeah, basically the strategy is supply and demand on gold. If you see this, I have gold for this strategy and NASDAQ for my main one, support and resistance breakout. So yeah, as you can see here, we have before the session open, London open, I need to mark zones that have like demands or supplies that have like liquidity sitting above or below it. Okay, basically is that. And if I go here, I have like multiple zones. For example, this one was a zone because have price coming down is liquidity. Price took the high of that liquidity, as you can see here, so it's valid. You have other one here. Why? Because we have this liquidity inducement people to entering buy, for example, from this gap, and you have the high of that taking out here. Okay, you have this demand zone here too. Okay, because you have inducement and break of that inducement here too. You can consider this is not the best one. I only consider this, for example, this one. Let me show you like this. This is only valid if I see price, when price come to this candle here, showing like rejection from it. And as you can see, we have here rejection. So this one will be valid. What we have, liquidity, take the high of that liquidity, and now is valid for buys. But my entry today was sells, and you can think, okay, you are selling gold and gold is just flying every single day. Yeah, I'm selling because on 5 minutes I don't care about the trend, because a sell on uptrends on 5 minutes can be just a week, on 4 hour, on higher time frames. Okay, so I don't care at all about the yeah, about that, the trend. So as you can see here, we have this supply, okay, is the last up move before the big push down. And what we have right below is inducement with many candles. And we have the low of that liquidity here, the low is taken out with the closure. So for me, this is an A+ setup, okay? Because I don't care about the trend. If you care about the trend, will be like A instead, A+. But yeah, we have inducement with 2 candles, what is very good. Next, we have a closure and break below the low of the liquidity, okay? And next price tap the zone here. So what I need to confirm is price can't close inside the zone. If price close inside the zone, will be invalid. But in this case, as you can see, didn't close, just tapped. The next candle created the top wick, and I was expecting, okay, left 1 minute, so I think price will close inside the zone. But what price did after, price flipped bearish, strongly bearish, okay, with a good body size. And as soon as this candle closed, I put my sell with stop loss 3 pips above the wick. Why 3 pips? Because on my broker I have like 2.8 spreads on gold, so I just put like 3 pips above. Why? Because if price tap here, the spread will trigger your stop loss, but will be the real stop loss position, okay? And yeah, about the stop loss, in this case my stop loss is 20 pips, so with between 20 and 30 pips I use 3R, and as you can see here, 3R just melted. My break-even is 2.5R, so as you can see, just melted. Super simple strategy. And yeah guys, let me see, for example, after this what happened. So we had this zone here. This zone was invalid because closed inside. Let me see the next one. Next one closed inside. And we have this one. That price, let me see. Yeah, as you can see here, we have liquidity here. We have a break of the high of that liquidity. Okay, so we have liquidity. We have break of the liquidity. We have yeah, this candle here, as you can see, I can't use it because this is 5 minutes before the new 13 minutes candle. So when you see any time with the 25 minutes or 55 minutes, you just wait, okay? Don't enter because it's too dangerous. Because you see this pullback here before the push. This is the basically the bottom wick of the 13 minutes to finally continue up, and this will happen many times if you just enter here and don't wait, okay? Because my entry type is what? When price tap and close outside the zone, I will wait for the bullish candle to close, and this case was bearish candle to close because I want to sell. On the buy, I want to buy, so is bullish candle. And what I have here, I will not enter here, okay, because you will be stop out, and is because the new 30 minutes is here, so you can wait for the candle came to the zone again and you enter. But in this case, I saw the candle close inside the zone, so I will delete the zone. And I just trade one shot a day, so I'm done with this 3%. What I can ask more? So now I will show you the stats for these months. As you can see here, September, this is in Portuguese, so yeah, September, gold, just gold, 14 trades for this month. As you can see, big win strike. I had like 3 losses for this month, and I am sitting 79% win rate, 22% gain, okay? It's going crazy. So the TP rules and the SL rules, I will make a video after in the next day about the rules, but the strategy is basically like this, like very simple. It's not 100% mechanical, but it's very simple. Just analyze what you have. I have rules. It's not just tap the zone and go. I have rules for the SL, for the TP, The liquidity can't be so far from the zone, but I will cover that in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed the strategy. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for me to know that you guys like this content, and hit the like button too. And don't forget to follow me on socials. I'm very active there, especially on X. And yeah, see you guys to the next video.